Hello, my name is Chuck Anderson, and I'm here to talk about a new and exciting version of the TNT, or Turf Nutrition Tool. Our newest version of the TNT is called the TNT Ultra. The TNT Ultra is different from past versions in that the Turf Manager now has the ability to model both granular and foliar applications in the same planting tool. Like past versions of the TNT, it works directly with Microsoft Excel versions 97 or later. One item of note is that the TNT uses program scripts called macros. These macros automate functions in the TNT and are critical to the tool's functionality. There are 3 levels of security that your computer may be set to: low, medium, or high. If your version of Excel is set to high, then the TNT will not function properly. It is a simple task to change your version to medium security, which should be best for your system. To better understand macros, watch the short video on TNT Macros page of our website. Let's open the TNT Ultra and take a look.
Okay, so let's open up the TNT. File is right there. First thing I'll see is this dialog box warning me of a macro, and I'm going to click the center button here, Enable Macros, and the file will open just fine, and now I can use all the automated functions. Now in Excel 2007, switch over here to that, I've opened it, but there's this little security warning up here at the top that says macros have been disabled. Well, the TNT will not operate properly, so I'm going to click the options button and then click the little radio button that says enable content. OK, and I'm ready to go. Now when you open the TNT, there's probably going to be a lot of products that are already in the TNT, and I want to take those out. I'm going to start from scratch. So all these little green boxes that have numbers in them, you can just click on them and select 0, and you'll see the nitrogen release graph continue to shrink as we take out some of these applications. And or you can just simply use what we have programmed there, but I'm going to start from scratch. So the first thing I'm going to do is select 0 on all those little application windows. Okay, one more to go. Okay, we got a clean slate. Scroll back to the top, and I'm going to start by selecting greens as my target. That'll select specific products in the TNT. Target nitrogen per week, I'm going to leave at 0.1. For northern turf acres 3.4, that looks fine. Map region, if you would like a little bit better definition, just select the map. That'll blow up a bigger version. You can take a look at there and click your little home button to get back. Another new feature of the TNT for 2010, the TNT Ultra, is this ability to put in your own soil analysis recommendations. And to do this, you simply select on the first cell, type in the number, and hit your tab key, and you can tab right through, adding your soil analysis recommendation. And this is merely a reference. As you build your TNT program, you can reference what your program or your model is delivering compared to what your soil analysis recommendation is. Okay, down below the dashboard you have these 52 application windows, and each window has 2 potential sources of nutrients, granular and foliar. So I'm going to start by selecting on March 19th. I'm going to scroll down here and select 18918, contact EG. I'm going to put in the amount at 5 pounds per thousand, and you'll see the amount of nitrogen is 0.9 pounds per thousand square foot. It also calculates the P and K. Up along the top on the dashboard, you'll see the thin green line is the hypothetical release into the soil complex, and then the dark green bars are the hypothetical response to the turf. Let's scroll down and start adding a little bit more here. I'm going to do 18918 again in April. Put another 5 pounds. And you can see immediately that I'm wasting fertilizer by putting that much down. So I'm going to back that off to about 2 pounds. That's still a little bit high. So I'm going to go back another week. I'm going to go to April 16th. Try 2 pounds of 18918 there. That doesn't look too bad. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of magnesium to my program here. So May 7th, I'm going to come in here with a couple pounds of product. That'll give me about 4.48 pounds of magnesium for the season so far. You can see that up on the dashboard here with all the seasonal nutrients delivered up here at top. And then as I get to the summer months, it's getting a little bit warmer, so I'm going to go with 100% Mutec. I happen to know that the 13026 is an excellent choice, 100% Mutec. And I'm going to put in 2 pounds here on June 25th, put in another 2 pounds. And you can see I'm running things a little bit lean here as they get down to the lower limit there, the red line. July 30th, and put in another 2 pounds again after the summer's over, getting a little bit cooler. 18918 in September, I'll go out with 2 pounds. And then 17017 with ammonium sulfate, I'll come in late September. I'll put down 3 pounds. That looks pretty good. And you'll notice I'm building something here that looks kind of like a little canoe. Call that baseline nutrition. So I've got nutrients, granular nutrients, feeding in the summer months, the high stress areas of the year. And I need to come back through and put some foliar products in there. So I'm going to fill up my little canoe here with some nice foliar nutrition. And I'm going to start here May 21st. And I'm going to start here with the Cytazor material. I'll put down 5 ounces. A couple weeks later, same material. I'm going to come back with another 5 ounces and continue doing that every 2 weeks. And you'll start to see these light green bars build on top of the dark green bars, and that represents the foliar response to my foliar program, in addition to the nutrition that I'm feeding the roots. I still need more throughout the summer months, so I'm going to come back here in July, add some more Nitroplast. If you're not familiar with our products on the foliar side, up here at the main menu you can select foliar products. That gives you a full listing. You can also do tank mixes, which I'm going to get into just in a little bit here. But let's finish up our program by selecting the same product, Nitroplast, which is a high nitrogen product, but it does have lots of micronutrients. Late July, we'll put another 5 ounces, continue on through August. Another 5 ounces. You can see how that response line is getting up there near the 1/10 of a pound per week. Need just a little bit more at the end of the summer here. Another 5 ounces. And I should be good to go. To print this page, I can simply select this print button at the top, but I do want to save this file in case I want to build multiple scenarios or work with fairways or tees separately. So I'm going to click File, Save As, and let's rename this to just Chuck's Greens. Click Save, and good to go. I hope you enjoyed this training video and invite you to check with your sales rep or our website for future TNT updates. Thanks for watching.